Hi there, this is Agon from Teamwork, and in this video we'll be looking at using the Gantt view in Teamwork. The Gantt chart offers a great way of getting a timeline overview of your project. Any project with task lists and tasks will have an automatically generated and fully interactive Gantt view. Just select the Gantt tab in your project to view it. On the left hand side you'll see all of the tasks and task lists for the project. To the right of the task list you'll see your full timeline Gantt chart. The length of the task list stretches from the earliest task start date to the latest task due date. Tasks will appear color-coded corresponding to who is responsible for it. Any task dependencies are visible by a connecting line between the two tasks, and milestones will appear with the milestone icon. Of course, this timeline is fully interactive, being both zoomable and scrollable to ensure you see exactly what you need to. Similarly, tasks can be dragged to change their start dates and due dates, and are both extendable to increase the dates and retractable to decrease the dates. The Gantt chart in Teamwork can be a powerful tool to give you a bird's eye view of how your project is shaping up.